Hi everyone and welcome back to C Sharp Corner live show. I'm back once again and what a new time to start a live show. I'm here in India. It's about 2 p.m. at my place and we've never really done a live show at this time of the day. But it's an exciting day because we have a very different live show today. We are joined by people who are young, or I should say who are younger than me. I'm still young. I'm not old. They are younger than me, and they recently participated in a hackathon, which they are the winners. They are still at college, and they're doing really great. The hackathon was something hack with Sharp. I have no idea about what the hackathon was, but if you were someone who were visiting C Sharp Corner website regularly, or if you were following the C Sharp Corner handles, you may know that there was a hackathon and there were about 10-15 teams participated from few colleges, and today we are featuring the winners of that hackathon. So without any further ado, let's bring our winners. And the team is Coder Kranti. Hi everyone, welcome to C Sharp TV live show and congratulations.
Thank you so much. Hello, Simon. How are you?
I'm doing absolutely great. Thank you so much. Thanks for showing up. You guys have a very nice background. Where are you guys actually?
Sir, we are at Amcian Solutions in the
Oh,
studio of
that's
that company.
that really looks nice. I remember I made that design that you have black design in the background. I made that. That looks really nice. So everyone in this C sharp community, they know me, so they're not here for me at all. So why don't we go clockwise and we start with the gentleman, and you guys start introducing yourself, and then we move on.
Okay, sir. Sir, I am Kartil Utkars and I am campus ambassador of CSAP community in ABS EC, and I am also the student model of ABS EC, and I have participated with my team with Hacker with SARP. Thank you, sir.
Hello,
What?
Simon sir. Hello, everyone. Good morning. My name is Shivani Duria. I'm pursuing in MCA second year from AVS Engineering College, and I am also the student ambassador of Fisha Corner. Thank you so much.
Hello Simon. Hello everyone. My name is Hriday Shankar Tripathi and I am pursuing MCA from ABS Engineering College Konda, Ghaziabad. Sorry. And now I am a team member of the Coder Kanti and we have participated in the hackathon organized by CS Corner. Thank you, sir.
My name is Lekhika Misra. I am from ABS Engineering College, pursuing MCA and organized C-Sub Corner, the Web3 training. And thank you, Supankar sir. And end of the Web3 training, organized the hack with SARP and 2 day session. And my team achieved the first position and earned the money $2,000. And given this opportunity, lead live session CSAP TV. And thank you, Simon sir, meet me this session.
Wow, congratulations everyone. Apart from everything, the prize only sounds good. The only thing that sound odd was sir to me. But never mind. Thanks everyone for the introduction. I really like this hackathon. I still remember when my very first hackathon was somewhere in 2014, where I did not build a very high level application that you guys are building, like with Django and with blockchain and crypto. I didn't do that. My hackathon was about building a responsive website using HTML5. Then in 2013-14, HTML5 was very popular. So that was my memories from the hackathon. So why don't you all go ahead, and before we talk about the project that you've made, why don't any one of you tell me what does Coder Kranti actually means?
Hello, sir. Actually, sir, Coder Kranti is the name of my startup, which is aimed to be for the it provides software solution and the virtual internship in the many domain. So when hackathon is going to organized by the CHAS community, so we decided to go with the name of our startup so that it can be more popular and known by the name Coder Kranti. So we decided to take this name, sir.
Now that's very smart, right? You also won the hackathon, and now you're promoting your company or your startup, as you said. That is a very clever thing to do. I'll let you go ahead and talk more about the project. So, tell me, what was the project about? Before we move to the project, if any one of you would like to tell a bit about the hackathon, what was the name of the hackathon? When was it organized? How long it was? How many people participated? What kind of different projects did you see? Who were the judges? What were the judging criteria? So let us first start about what hackathon was, and then we will move into your project.
So the name of hackathon was Hack with SAR. It is
Mhm.
organized after a Web3 training of 90 hours, and the aim of hackathon was to check the learning of the students during the training. And this hackathon was around hold on the 22 and 23 of December 2023. And in this hackathon we are required to participate with a team. In team there will be maximum 4 members. We have to decide the name of our team, then register with the link which is provided by the company. And this total the time we have get to develop a project was 30 hours. And Subhankar sir, Rohit sir, and Atul sir was the judges who decide who is going to win. They check the they check the application, how it is working. We present our all the things, our functional and non-functional requirement and uses, use case diagrams, and what will be the process to use our application. They also test it using many criterias. Does it work or not? And finally, they come with the result who is going to win.
Well. I bet the results were in your favor because you guys are the winners. When you say that it was a 30 hours hackathon, right? You're given 30 hours. Did you guys sleep anytime in those 30 hours?
Sir, we have a huge source of motivation from Lekika, which keep
Mm-hmm.
motivating we all four. In night, she keep on messaging, "Are you doing? Are you doing? Are you doing?" So we just take a sleep of 2 and 30 hours,
Wow, that's
two to
good. You
two
guys
and
are
a half
young. You
hours.
can do it, right?
Yes, sir.
Skip watching reels for a night and doing a project for a hackathon. That, that is good. So let us move on to the project part, right? Tell us about the project. I know a little bit about it was on what framework it was built, but let us tell our audience was your project, what was the problem it was solving, how did you come up with the solution, and what were some of the challenges that you faced while building your project?
Hello. In hackathon, we have a five problem out of which one we have to choose. So we choose problem number fifth. It was as an educator or content creator, I seek a text generator to easily produce engaging and informative quizzes for my audience. This tool will enable me to create interactive and educational quiz, enhancing user engagement and knowledge retention. So in this, we have to develop our application which reduce the work of educator and content creator, and automatically when we click on the start button and get the automatically quizzes, so we can check our knowledge. And in this, we have so many advanced technologies which will share my teammate Hriday Shankar.
Hello, sir. Sir, in the generating the quiz application, we have used the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It is totally depend upon the JavaScript because all over functionality is working by the JavaScript. And we have choosing for the questions which is coming automatically by the OpenTDB API, and it is coming through the API. And we have created only a one subject base that is computer science, and it is giving us the randomly questions from the API. And when the student was checking his question, he was giving the answer, and he got the result immediately on the top of the screen. And after the submitting, he can get total marks of this quiz. So it is totally depend on the APIs and working of the working of the Sir, reducing the effort of the teacher who was wasting their time, lots of time in the creating the quiz. So it was totally depend on the reducing the time. Thank you, sir.
That sounds perfect. Anyone else wants to add anything around the project? No, I
Sir?
think yeah. You want to add something?
Now, sir, we are developing to move on the categorized like a hard difficulty and many more subjects. We have to choose the subject wise like computer science, mathematics, science,
Mhm.
and art like this, which is we are trying to create.
And we are using a framework to develop to help the server client side.
Mhm.
Django we are using.
Okay, perfect. So you guys are
We are
using
developing
Django,
it
you have
more.
Open
Yes.
API, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so for the people
JavaScript.
who okay, JavaScript, that's perfect. So
Okay.
for the people who are listening about the OpenAI for the very first time, is there anyone who could tell what OpenAI is and how one can get started? I know this question is out of blue moon, but anyone who could shed a light on what is OpenAI and what benefit does it add to our project?
So in the general basic of OpenAI is a platform where we can select the our problem to get the solution and not more the knowledge. I think the OpenAI is the platform where we can choose the our problem and get the solution immediately.
Hmm. Perfect. That's nice.
Sir,
It's yeah.
I want to add something in it. Actually, sir,
Mhm.
OpenAI is the tool which is created by the some companies or some developers, which leave it openly so that someone can want to use made a project using artificial intelligence, so that they can use that AI in their project. With the help of that, the many effort of the developer team got reduced, which have happened with us. We use an OpenAI tool, and which helps us a lot, and it is really reduced the works of project making students and developers.
Yeah, I think OpenAI is literally everywhere. We are using the byproducts of OpenAI in our day-to-day life. It started with ChatGPT, but I think it's now never ending. I'm glad that you guys are still in the college and you're working only on these APIs and this Django framework. So let me ask you a follow-up question, right? What are some of the challenges that you guys face while building this application? Couple of challenges when she was texting you, "Hey, are you guys doing it?" What are some of the problems that you face while building the application?
Sir, first thing was that in our student life, we never analyze the errors in the code. We just
Oh,
say the error is coming, then we
yeah.
try to change the whole code. But during this project, sir, we learn how to analyze the error in their codes and remove that code errors and work on the syntax. And we face many challenges, sir. Even we start working and we make a three project during the 30 hours. Sir, one project was on the base of an
Random,
database
random thing.
which generate a randomly quiz from our database. But there is no AI, sir. So that project was failed. And secondly, we develop a application using totally Django. In that project, there is no use of HTML, CSS, no. Framing and everything were done by the Django. And at the last, we make a different project was finally submitted, and we get many appreciation with that project, sir.
Yeah, I know it worked out for you. Three projects in 30 hours. It must have been very exciting a day and a half for you. I'm really excited that it worked out for you. So, what's next? So, how did you submit your once you've made your project? How did the submission work? Did you have to upload your project somewhere? Did you have to present someone? Do you have any GitHub profile where you guys are putting your project? What happens once you complete your project?
Sir, project submission was completed at 2 p.m. on
Mhm.
23 of December, and we need to upload it over GitHub and provide the link to the judges and make a PPT for the presentation. And also, we saw our application to the judges, and you can say that they taste it how it is working or
Yeah.
it is going to failure or class is happening in the application or not, and it is still available at my GitHub account, sir. with the name
Okay.
of Coder Kranti project.
Okay, that's nice. It's that's nice that you put it on the project on your GitHub. So did you present it online or was it an offline presentation?
It was an offline
Offline
presentation, sir.
presentation.
Okay, perfect. And who did the presentation?
In presentation,
Like
all four
everyone.
members are involved.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. That makes sense. That makes sense. So yeah, congratulations once again. It's really exciting. You show up on a hackathon, you're given some hours, then you find a solution, then you also build it. I really miss doing that when I was a student. I would encourage you all to keep on doing the hackathons like this. There are many hackathons that happens. Now that you are already into this ecosystem, go ahead and do some more research. You'll find many more hackathons happening. And as you said, you can get a good cash prizes for that. Having said that, do you guys know when are you going to have next hackathon by C Sharpcon or anything?
In 3 months, we get the next hackathon with
Okay,
C
so
Sharp.
you're already excited to
Oh,
go ahead and win another one or give chance
Yeah,
to someone
no,
else.
no.
All right, all right.
We
Don't
always
give any.
ready to grab the chances,
Yeah, that's good. That's
quality
good.
of them.
That's really nice. Don't give a free pass to anyone. So that definitely makes sense. Any final thing you guys want to add before we wrap up the show? I have one question for you all after this, but just is there anything you want me to ask? You want to ask me or tell the audience?
Sir,
If no,
as a my
mhm.
team member, Hriday Shankar and Kautilya Sivani explained the many things about the project. So now I am going to discuss the resource which we have
Mhm.
used to develop the project. ChatGPT play a very important role in our vectoring and project,
You bet.
and because I guide to us how to develop the given the project. And using Google we visit to many websites which help us to improve the functionality of our software.
Sir, actually, we visit many websites, which helps us a lot in improving the functionality of our application. As Hirday sir told, that we are still working on that project and we are keep on adding the many things. So initially, that application has only one functionality that you can select the quizzes from computer science only. Now, it application has a functionality that you can choose computer science, mathematics, physics, and also in this we are going to make one more subcategory that if you choose computer science, then you have an option that you can choose a computer language, Java, C, or networking, or something else. We are going to create many more options here.
So, I would really love to see this project somewhere online. So I think once you add few more features, how about you go ahead and publish this application somewhere on the internet? There are many free hosting platforms, right? And you can also use DigitalOcean or whatever you want. Just go ahead and put it out and let the world use it. Okay, I know, just work around. Don't make it very viral in your college network, else your API keys will, it won't last for long. But yeah, just put it online so that if you tell anyone, right, you can just give them the link and they can also use it so they can have a better idea about what project that you guys have built. Having said that, I'm going to ask you the next question and the final question. I know we're already at 20 minutes. We need to wrap it up. Is what are you guys going to do with the prize money that you get? I mean, I want an answer from everyone.
Sir, as I have told you that I have started a startup, so
Yeah.
I'm going to fund my startup with that money, sir, and
Oh,
it will
that's
help
very
me a lot,
boring,
sir.
but okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
All right, that's good. That's good, actually. Who's next?
Actually, I don't think about it now, but I'm going to have fun with that one.
Yeah, that's what you should do,
I,
right?
I
You
will
guys,
go out.
yes, sir. Same like I didn't think now a time,
yeah.
but I will use in my future aim for getting any courses like this.
That's good. It's always good to buy an online course, right? And just go through it. I think I do that a lot. So that's a good thing to do. I like that part too. What about
Yes, sir.
the other Lekhika? What are you gonna do about the?
Sir, as a member of Coder Kranti, a
Yeah.
startup, then
Oh,
also
you're
invest
in.
Coder Kranti.
All right,
Yes, sir.
that's why you both are sitting in the same frame right
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes, sir.
If I
We
was
both
you,
are on same page and we
yeah.
both are different.
Sir, I'm very happy to announce that Lekika and me, we are the brother and sisters from
Oh,
same
really?
parent.
Oh, wow, you both are siblings.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Ah,
siblings.
that's why. Okay, all right. That's really good. That's how you both are answering the same question.
Sir, I am the founder and managing director of Coder Kranti, and
Hmm.
she is the director of Coder Kranti.
Wow, you guys already have the designations from now. That's really cool. That's nice to have. If I was to win this hackathon, I would get that money and just go somewhere in the mountains or beach and just travel and have fun. But you guys are good. You can give
Same.
back to the company. So yeah, that's it. So thank you so much once again. I know you
Shivani
guys
is planning this, sir.
yeah, that's good. I know Shivani is she has that vibe to go out and hang. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. I know you guys showed up from your place to the office. I know it's very cold outside, so I won't take much of time. Thank you so much once again. Congratulations, and yeah, good luck with your next hackathon and whatever is next. We'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.